today we are excited to present our prototype development. First of all, we'd like to discuss the problem statement that led us to create this prototype. So, in large shopping malls, the absence of proper navigation system creates significant challenges for both customers and employees. Customers often struggle to locate specific stores, essential facilities such as restrooms or even exits, leading to confusion and frustrations. This is not only wasting their time but also diminishes their over shopping experience, making them less likely to return. On the other hand, employees who are responsible for or maintaining store operations and assisting customers with their primary tasks frequently find themselves interrupted by lost shoppers seeking directions. While helping customers is important, this frequent disruption take a toll on their productivity. Employees must pause their work, sometimes leaving their assigned duties unattended, which affects service quality and store efficiency. Over time, with this added responsibility leads to increased stress and job dissatisfaction.
Before the prototype demonstrations, let me ask you a question. Have you ever faced these situations before? Let's have a look. The solution descriptions. Our solution is to develop a mobile application for customers to easily navigate large malls where workers use a management system to improve efficiency and coordination. For users with characteristics, for customers who struggles with finding store and product in large malls or supermarket, for more of supermarket staff with difficulty managing inventory, task operation, and customer service. There are four benefits. The first one, easily real-time navigation to store and product. The second, increased coordinations and productivity. The third, reduce frustrations, allowing and better shopping experience. The last one, lower stress level and operational costs through streamlined workflows.
Now let's start our prototype demonstration. The item searching system in our application has the option to choose between customers and workers. As for today, I'm going to show how our applications works well for customers. The first step is at the home page. Users may select between the workers or customers option, which will help us to be directed into the next user interface of our application. As for customers, login details are not required to allow for easy and quick access. However, for workers, password entry is needed. As they enter their password, they can search and update items and also generate report. Now we will click the customer option. As we press the customer option, our app will be directed to the next step, which is the customer interface. Here there are many categories like utensils, tools, beverages and fruits for customers to choose. Customers can select any categories of items that they wish to purchase.
Directly after choosing any of the desired category of items provided, the customer will then be directed to a list of purchasable goods in the store that are listed under the said category. A thorough description of what the items is or its functions will be displayed as well, together with the remaining quantities of the selected item. This helps the customer ensure that the item is still available in the store for purchase and not sold out, and in a way helps them save their time and energy from making a futile trip to the store just to return empty-handed. The next step, customers can then select their desired item, and the app will provide the item's exact location in the form of words, or better known as coordinates, as well as displaying the items on an interactive map that assists the users in navigating the said item. In most cases, people do not enter a store just to buy one singular item. Therefore, in light of that, we have also included a function where users can add the wanted goods in a virtual grocery list. The grocery list can be accessed through a note-like icon on the app where it will display all of the selected items. This function serves as a reliable and convenient way to help customers ensure that they do not leave out or forget anything while shopping. This prevents them from having to make any unnecessary trips or detours just to return to the store to pick up the items that they left out while shopping.
So, step 5, which is after the customer have accumulated all the items they wanted into their grocery list, the customers can click on the notes like icon once again and see the list of all the selected items. The total price will be displayed alongside the items to assist the user in ensuring they prepare the necessary funds required to pay for the items. And once this is done, the user or the customer can proceed to the final step, which is on clicking the Start Now button. And by doing so, the app will automatically detect and generate the best route available to help the customer efficiently purchase the items chosen without wasting extra time and energy. Okay, so once running the app or the web page on your desired mobile device or interface, you will be given the choice to select two types of users. As the customer, you can just click on customer and it will bring you to a page where you can either search for items or view discounted items. So as a customer, if I'm searching for an item, I just have to click on it, click the selected available items. For example, I have clicked on Apple and it will display the quantity available and the location. And if I am deciding to go to an aisle and I want to check what are the available items there, I can just click on the aisle and it'll display the available items and the quantity. And as for the worker, I have to click on worker and logging in is required, password is required. For example, this is here to prevent customers from accidentally logging into the worker and creating any misinputs. So as a customer, I can't log in because I need the password. And as a worker, I just simply got to key in the password, log in, and I'll be given the options to check for stocks or to update items. So as a worker or a manager, if I'm here to check for stocks, I just got to click on check on stocks and it will display the available items, the quantity, and whether it's on low stock. Now, if the stocks aren't low, it will not be displayed here. And moving back and moving to update items, all I got to do is enter the item name, enter the new quantity, and click on update, and this will simply just update the item. So this is our version 1 of our app develop, and in future versions, we are looking forward to adding more features. And simply just to exit, all you got to do is click the home button and you're back to the main page.